People, so this is my second video of the day, and right now I'm reviewing this particular book called Taming a Monkey Mind. It's by this writer called Phyllis Crystal. Basically, people, this particular book is mostly like it is available in this place called the Puttaparthi Ashram, which is for any Sai Baba devotees out there. Yeah, I should include that in the while describing the video, because this video, because Taming a Monkey Mind, I remember reading it almost a few years ago, and few years, yeah, more than that, in fact. And so basically, anybody who's a Sai Baba devotee will really relate with this book. Yeah, it has three monkeys on the cover. So yeah, Taming a Monkey Mind. It's about Phyllis Crystal is obviously a foreigner writing about her experiences in India, and how basically the techniques that she learned that has helped her tame her monkey mind. And the biggest technique, so to speak, is having faith in Baba. So that is like the gist of the book. So a book by Baba from the Puttaparthi Ashram is difficult to give any ratings to, so I'll skip that. But on the whole, an amazing read. So, on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.